Okay, I figured I'd post this video on how my metal furnace is cooking along here. You can see I got the two Chinesium stainless steel blowers. I can't show you the plumbing, I'll show you that later. It's real simple. Stuck it in there. Anyway, here's what I did today. I put the Saint Knight to it from Amazon. And got 3/4 of the way done. So all I'm going to do is the bottom. You can see there I've already used those burners a couple of times. And it looks like I can get a pretty good, at least a number 6 crucible in here. And I've started working on the lid. I initially drilled an 1.5-inch hole here. I'm going to have to 10 snip a bigger hole. And then put K-wall in the lid, which fits like that on there. Real nicely. I'm going to have to work on that a little bit. And this short little vid show you how a Mark II furnace is coming along. I think it's going to be okay. Okay, I came back later, a couple days later, and put this edge on using some scrap K-wall ahead. Right now it's looking kind of ugly. I got a level off the bottom down there, but it's getting close. I got a few cracks there. You gotta mix this Saint Knight really dry. I had some poorly mixed Saint Knight. You can see there it cracked. It wasn't dry enough. So when it shrank, it just cracked. So you really gotta mix it as dry as possible. Maybe even a little thicker than peanut butter. But you can see over here, on this half, it done well. It did really well, but over here where I couldn't see because I had to rotate it because of the burners, I couldn't rotate it really good where I could see, and it was too wet and cracked. So that's how it's coming right now. Tomorrow I'll probably trim this off, and then I got the lid. The lid is here. Put a layer of, I think that's 1.5 K-wall under the lid. Got my hole punched out. I think this is going to be okay. It's a thin coat on there. I might even add some more to the top of this just to bring it up, because I don't think it's going to fully protect this lip here. So I might want to bring it up a little bit more. That might be just a little too much worrying for that. It should be okay. So far away from the burners there. Anyway, that's how it's going right now. When you're using the furnace melting metal, it's going to be a little more, hey, I want to get this done immediately type of thing. So anyway, I gotta post a video because I haven't had any content for a long time. So okay, I'm just going to tweak this lid real quick on video. see how soft this is yet. Gotta get another layer on there. See, that lines up really easily now.
Okay, I'm just going to show mixing up the Satanite refractory cement.
Okay, so let's take a look. Still looks quite rough there. I'm gonna clean it up some more.